everyone, it's Georgie from Fashion Picks by Gel. I wanted to talk today about some bold jewelry for this season. Now, I found some that are absolutely my favorite, and I think they can go with basically any outfit. Now, one of mine I have over here today, I'd have to say would be the bold ring. Now, why do I love the bold ring so much? Because it's kind of cute, and it kind of goes with just about anything. The reason I like these are you can put them on basically any ring finger. You can put them on your little one, your big one. Now, most likely this will fit you guys a little better than me because I have really tiny fingers. But as I said, it's kind of fun and whimsical and kind of organic, which a lot of the styles for this season especially have been very organic and very nature inspired. Okay, another one of my favorite ones would be bringing back vintage. Why do I love vintage? Because classics don't die. That's why I love it. That's why it's called a classic. Now, one of my favorites, it's actually been in my family for a while. It's from my great-grandma. It's my vintage Gucci watch. Now, what I like about this, it's timeless. You really can't go any better than a nice neutral. Neutrals, they're always in style. That's why I love them. So this one's always a good one just to put on when you don't know what to wear. And also layering them up on your wrist with a watch, a bracelet, and some other bracelets is really hot this season. So always keep your good old vintage jewelry. It never goes out of style. Okay, some other things I want to bring in today are kind of cute. They're my favorite earrings. I love them so much. I get so many comments when I wear them. They're my love earrings. Now the cool part is the love is actually not attached to the earring. If you can see, I have both right here. They are not attached to the earring. What they actually are is the earring is a stud, you can see, and then this you put behind your ear and then you put it through. And that's one of my earrings. Now, my other thing that's really hot this season are ear cuffs. Now, this one's another one of my favorite ear cuffs. It's my little love one. If you haven't noticed, I like love phrases. Now this one, it just goes on your ear just about anywhere. And most of the time I put mine like right about here. But I mean, you can put them at the top, you can put them in the middle, you can put them at the bottom, wherever you want. Now that's one of my favorites. Now my next one, I don't know if you've seen them, a lot of stars are wearing these. They're called Shambhala bracelets. Basically, they're like crystal and some other gemstones if you want. The one I have today is a crystal and onyx one. And these have been really hot. Another thing with when I was talking about like the layering look, you can put this and then put a bracelet and put another one beside it. It's just all about layering and all about bold jewelry basically. Now my other favorite one is a nice leather bracelet. Now this isn't just any leather bracelet. It has crystal going around the side. And then there's the underside. It attaches just with a snap, has two different sizes, a bigger one and a smaller one. The smaller one fits my wrist because I have little wrists, as I said. So this is one of my other favorite ones. Now, with statement with earrings, I don't know if you've seen these, kind of like the hoops. Now, hoops kind of flatter any face. They don't drag them down, so I'm a big hoop fan. Also, these are kind of cute. They have like the little sparkles all over them. Now, another favorite of mine is the collars. I don't know if you've seen these much this season, but kind of like the little collars. Now, say if you have a shirt like this, it even jazzes this one up, but I already have a collar today. But say if you just have a plain kind of V-neck shirt and you want to make it have a collar, just go out and buy these. You can get them. I got this one at Rue 21, I think, and I think it's just $12. Or you can make them your own. They're not that hard. Now, another one of my favorites is kind of the blinged out bracelet. I love these because it has kind of like some of the iridescent stones in them. It's really cute. And these, you can get these at any place. I think this one I got at TJ Maxx. But it's kind of cute. It's good for like when you want to jazz up an outfit. Now, studs are very big this season. They're kind of, you can get them like the ones I have in today, they're studs. You can get them all different styles. Now, my favorite animal is turtle, so of course I'm going to show you guys the turtle ones. Now, if you can see, they still have a little bit of sparkle in it, and you can put one anywhere, and then say if you want to add your ear cuff or something, and you want to pull your hair up on a bun on top of your head, then it's really cute. Okay, guys, now that's going to finish my picks for today. This is my big, bold jewelry picks, and if you guys want to follow me on my blog, It's www.fashionpicsbygel.blogspot.com. And thanks for watching. Bye.